Hello everyone, welcome to Emerge IAS Free Mains Answer Writing Program Day 44. Today our question is from GS Paper 2 and this question can also be asked in your GS Paper 3 also. Here the question is, the government needs to ensure a level playing field to agro-based industries which service unfair trade practices. Discuss. This question is for 250 words and 15 marks. Here you have to understand the need of the question. That means in this question they want us to discuss about the unfair trade practices or in agro-based industries of India, and also we have to suggest the government side remedy and we have to suggest a trade remedy that already government had taken, and then the government can involve in taking measures. So here in our introduction part, itself, we have to describe about what is agro-based industries, and we have to what is agro-based industries, that we know that then you have to explain or you have to tell the needs or importance of agro-based industries, and you have to anyway mention that it is mutually beneficial for both the primary and secondary sector of an economy, and this is how the introduction should be. Then you have to tell about the unfair trade practices. And what are the unfair trade practices? That means the agro-based industries are losing their competitive edge due to this unfair trade practice. That is why the question is asked here, and especially the unfair trade practices that includes the exporters of other countries. That means the product that we are importing, there we have to know that other countries are the main reason behind this unfair trade practices, because the two things you have to, your body part must contain this two things as the unfair trade practices, then only you will be able to get marks. The first thing is dumping and the second thing is subsidies. And when it comes to dumping, that is, it is observed that the exporters from other countries often dump their products in Indian markets. They are dumping their products in Indian market at rates cheaper than those of our domestic products, and that is the main cause of that's the main cause which affect our domestic industries. And the next thing is subsidies, that is, the government of those countries from where imports are sourced by India are observed to be providing subsidies to their exporters. When they are giving subsidies to their exporters, what they do, they will export more things, and that will be lead to dumping, and this is interrelated, and this is the two things that we have to mention about the unfair trade practices. Then you have to tell about the World Trade Organization. What WTO did to control this unfair trade practices, that is, the World Trade Organization categorized some things, that is, the dumping and subsidies as unfair trade practices, and also they had an agreement, that is, anti-dumping agreement, and also agreement on subsidies and countervailing measures agreement. And World Trade Organization have already taken these measures, but still the unfair trade practices are continued by many other countries. And the next thing is, this is all about the half of the body part. Then you have to give some measures or some trade remedies. In the trade remedies part, we can include what are all the measures taken by Indian government in this aspect, and we can act. The first thing we have to tell about is 1975 India's Customs Tariff Act, and under this you have to tell about the provisions of this act in controlling such practices. And the next thing is 1995 anti-dumping rules and CVD rules. These are already taken measures, and you have to tell about why a role of government is important here. tell about the importance of the government's role, and you have to tell about DGTR, that is Directorate General of Trade Remedies, and you can also include that it's a quasi judicial body. They will take care the cases related to this thing, and this is how. And you can also suggest some more remedies by your own, what government can do to control this unfair trade practices in India. And then in your conclusion part, you have to tell about like agro-based industries are vital to the growth of economy, right? You have to tell about that, and they can't able to stand competition from cheaper or subsidized import from other countries, and the role of government is important in such a situation, and government needs to, from the question itself you can develop the conclusion, that is the government needs to ensure a level playing field to agro-based industry versus unfair trade practices adopted by exporters of other countries, and this is how you have to conclude your answer. That is all about this question. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and to click the bell icon for future videos. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.